Welcome, young mathematicians, to the captivating realm of addition and subtraction. Today, we embark on an exciting journey that will unravel the mysteries of these fundamental operations, making math an adventure filled with discovery and excitement. Close your eyes and imagine a world where numbers dance and come alive, where addition and subtraction become the keys that unlock countless mathematical wonders. Are you ready to join us on this thrilling quest? Our journey begins with Scene 1, the Number Kingdom. Picture a majestic kingdom ruled by a wise and playful king whose crown bears the symbol of addition and subtraction. As you step into this magical realm, you'll discover that every corner of the kingdom holds valuable lessons and thrilling challenges to sharpen your math skills. In the Number Kingdom, we unveiled the Addition Adventurers. Imagine yourself as a brave adventurer equipped with a magical calculator. Your mission is to explore the kingdom, seeking out hidden treasures that can only be obtained through addition. Solve puzzles, gather numerical clues, and unlock the secrets that lie within the enchanted realm. Not all. Brace yourselves for the subtraction sorcerers. As you delve deeper into the Number Kingdom, you encounter a group of wise sorcerers who specialize in the art of subtraction. They challenge you to become their apprentice, guiding you through captivating riddles and mind-bending subtraction problems. Master their techniques, and you'll wield the power to unravel even the most complex mathematical enigmas. But wait, there's more. The magic number maze awaits your mastery. Picture a labyrinth of numbers, filled with winding paths and mysterious doors. To navigate through this perplexing maze, you must use your addition and subtraction skills to unlock the correct doors that lead you closer to the ultimate prize. Sharpen your mental math abilities and conquer the maze like a true math wizard. addition and subtraction basics comes to a close. You have honed your skills, conquered challenges, and emerged as fearless mathematicians, ready to embrace new mathematical frontiers. Remember, young learners, addition and subtraction are not just tools. They are gateways to understanding the world around us. As you bid farewell to the number kingdom, carry the magic of addition and subtraction with you. Let them be your companions on your mathematical voyage, empowering you to solve problems, unravel mysteries, and unlock the limitless possibilities that await. Until we meet again on your next mathematical odyssey. Hi kids, welcome to our super fun counting game. Today we're going to play a game where we count objects from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's get started. Can you find the apple? How many apples do you see? Let's count it together. 1. Great job, you found 1 apple. How many kites can you see in the sky? Let's count them. 1, 2. Awesome. There are 2 kites flying high. Look at the beach. Can you find the seashells? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful, you found 3 seashells. How many ducks are swimming in the pond? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. There are 4 ducks swimming happily. Can you count the flowers in the garden? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. You found 5 beautiful flowers. How many balls can you see in the playground? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Amazing, there are 6 colorful balls. Can you count books on the shelf? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent! You found 7 books. How many balloons are floating at the party? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. There are 8 balloons. Can you count the chickens on the farm? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Awesome! You found 9 chickens. How many apples are in the basket? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic! You counted 10 apples. You did an amazing job today. We counted from 1 to 10 together. Give yourself a big round of applause. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos. See you next time. Bye!